I asked Darius to play ball with his sister.
Let's go.
I see you, Naya. Anthony, don't get right in the way.
Hey, Mommy.
Move over and stop that. Go ahead, Darius. Give it back to her. Yay, Naya.
Yay, yay, bow. Bow.
Don't do that, Darius.
Yes, sir.
Don't throw it. Fellas, I want you to play ball with her. Don't take it from her. Wait, she's trying. Yay! Darius, stop. Be gentle. She's trying. Wait, let her get it off the counter. Go, Naya. Yay!
Yeah, stop it.
Y'all are getting carried away. All I do is ask you to play catch with Naya.
Ew, use the cooler.
Yay, Naya. Darius, don't do that.
Darius, stop.
Guys, you're getting carried away now. Go ahead, Naya. Go ahead, Naya.
With DVD player. Me. I ran away.
Yay,